Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Photoroom images format. So first you go to My Content on the bottom left corner, and then you tap on Preferences on the top right corner, and then you can just scroll down to export, and then under export you see there you can tap on export in JPG. So just tap there, and then it will directly it will save as JPG. Then if you want to keep original file name, you can just tap on to turn it on. So that's it. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.